Happy Friday! Bilis ng araw. 3 days na tayong absent sa work. So, yan. May sipon pa rin ang Mommy Ems. Tsaka, barado pa rin. Ewan ko ba? Ang lamig eh. Iba yung ano ng weather. Ayan, sinipito ko lang yung adobo natin. Yum! Napakita ko ba ito kahapon? I'm not sure kung napakita ko ito sa inyo. Tapos meron tayong natitira pang enoki mushroom. Ilagay ko dito sa pinagprituhan natin mamaya. Yum! Yun na yung food natin. Ayun nga, ang plan namin ni Amanda today is lumabas. Pero maaga dapat. Alas 11 na pasado. Past 11 na. And then, sige na, labas na tayo habang sinisipag ba akong lumabas. Day off ko rin lang naman bukas. Pero I don't know kung anong plan namin ni Daddy Marky. Plan namin, sabihin ko pa lang mag-Costco kasi wala na nga kami mga stock dito sa bahay. Like toilet paper. Pinaka-importante yun. So, ayun. Tinawagan ko muna si Marky para alam ko kung nandun siya sa job site. Surprise sana. Pero paano kung wala siya dun, diba? Tapos, tinawagan ko din si Bianan. Ayun, susunduin niya kami in 30 minutes. So, we're preparing. Sobrang tuwa naman ni Amanda. Ayan, naglalagay ko lang ako ng sunscreen. Tinted sunscreen ng Brilliant Skin. Baka naman. Brilliant Skin. Baka naman. Brilliant Skin. Baka naman. Uy, old pa to. Stock ko pala yan. Kailangan ko ulit bumili. Bili ko yan sa online or sa mismong shop. I need it again. Ay, bet na bet ang ating lipstick. So, pinaghalo ko lang itong ating L'Oreal in the shade of Shopping Spree 230. And then, itong ating Teddy Tint na number 30. Coquettish. Arte. Gustong-gusto ko yung nagdadalawang shade ng lipstick. Diba? Ganda. Ganda. Are you ready, girl? Magsushus na lang ako and then I'll show you my suot ko na naman tong jacket na to nung Saturday. Saturday ba? Yeah. Yan ang ating outfit ulit. Suot natin yung Hoka shoes na binili ng aking biyanano. Diba? Ang swerte-swerte natin. Like, minamanifest ko lang to last time and then nakuha ko agad. Oh gosh. Ang mahal kasi ng Hoka shoes, 280 something. Suot ko lang. Outfit check! Sombrero natin from TK Maxx. Bag natin from TK Maxx. From Ganda. Ito, saan to? Aldi. Aldi? Aldi ba? Aldi. I think so. Tapos, Hoka shoes. Yun lang. Daan muna tayo dito sa workplace ni Daddy Marky. So, yan yung trabaho ni Daddy Marky na fence. I know, Daddy. Trabaho ni Mr. Aray ko. Tukisa ba na? Nandito na kami sa Kaiser. Binilap lang kami ni Daddy dito. So, shopping lang kami ni Amanda. Bye, Shadows! Till now, naka 70% off pa rin. So, let's grab it! I'm planning to buy recipe notebook. Pero ang dami nila. Hindi ako makapili kung alin dyan. Cute din nito. Hindi na sila naka-sale. Last time, naka 40%. But it's $22. So, ayan, Shadows. Last Sunday, nakakuha tayo ng 50% voucher. Pero nakalimutan ko yung copy. So, claim ko siya today. So, yung notebook, nakuha ko siya 50%. Yung ating recipe book. Tada! I chose this one kasi recipe from our family yung nakalagay. So, I got this. Tapos, dalawang bathrobe. Tapos, yung gift ko kay Daddy Marky sa Father's Day. Tapos yung kay Amanda card naman ang kinuha niya for Daddy. So yung bathrobe ko na binili ko last time na Dachshund ang design. Kay Amanda na lang yun. So bumili ako nito and then yun yung kulay. So So, that's mine. So, naka 70% off pa rin. And, ito, 50% off na. Kaya isang binili natin for Daddy Marky. And this one, naka 50% din. So, all in all, we spent 67. Dito kami sa TK Maxx. This is cute. $50. 3-in-1. Oh my gosh. Nakaka-tempt. Ang cute niya na. That's mine. Shadows ang cute din nito. Pero hanap tayo ng gold yung ano niya, straps. I love that. But this is 99. Shadows time check 2:23 and naghihintay na kami dito sa bus stop ni Amanda. Ito yung way din ni Daddy Marky pauwi. Pero I don't think kung tapos na sila. So, magbabas na lang kami. Ay, so yan, nag-stop kami ni Amanda dito sa Wombay. Dito kami susunduin ni Daddy Marky. Kasi yung bus namin nandito na sa Wombay nang tumawag. Tapos yan, nag-order ako ng apple custard. Kwento ko lang kasi si Amanda nagulat siya, ba't ako bumababa ng bus? Sabi kasi ni Daddy, nababa na kayo dyan sa Wombay. Tapos di ko man lang sinabihan si Amanda. Bigla na lang ako. Gulat siya eh. Kaya nag-order kami ng apple custard. Tapos si Amanda kainin niya yung red rooster niya kasi nag-take away din pala kami. Kumuha din siya ng drinks niya. Ano daw ito? Hey, mas? So, ayan siya. Dumaan lang kami ng dalawang shops. Sa Wombay, sa Spar, and then sa Aldi dito sa mall. Namili lang kami ng mga manok. Yan sa Aldi. Tapos sa Spar, chicken thigh and chicken mahal ko. Look at that. Chef Ponchi gave us food again. So early. Ay, magpapaalam na si Chef dito sa kanyang restaurant. Yun, may libre na namang pagkain si Amanda. Ba yung vlog natin na nagpunta tayo ng ano na yun? House tour? House tour. Kasali yung mukha mo doon. Ay, post ko yun sa TikTok. Happy Saturday, everyone. Good morning. Good morning. Hi, Ethan. Ang lamig ngayon. Hello. Hi, Ellie. Morning. Hello. Hello. Ayan, binigyan ko sila ng apple and grapes. Go, have some apple. Good girl. Oh, you love apple, Ellie. Good girl. Hi, Shadows. Happy Saturday. Same location ba? Ayan, lumabas ulit kami ni Daddy Marky. Si Amanda hindi na naman sumama kasi pagod. Diba naglakot siya kami kahapon. Daddy Marky is nagwi-withdraw lang. I think we're going to Nusa today. Kasi ganda ng araw. Like yesterday, it's so cloudy. It's gloomy. Ayun, tignan nyo. Sikat ng araw! It's a perfect day to go walking. Walang clouds. Ayan. Mag-aayos na ako. Kasi pag sa bahay ako mag-aayos, tagal oras pa. Lagi ako minamadali ni Daddy Marky. Gamitin natin ang ating Teddy Tint na shade number 30, Coquettish. Ganda ba? Pinatong ko pala dalawa. Same yung ginamit ko from yesterday, yung L'Oreal and Maybelline. Of course, the Rafa ulit.
A Masai. Yep. And one jumbo mocha fusion with 4 shots and no cream, please.
Oh, very
What's that?
Our Zarafas again. Thank you, love. Oh my God. Oh, now you hit the car, love.
So yummy.
Nagimas. Nagimas ko nung laki. Nagimas.
Hmm?
Nagimas.
Nabigyan na.
Yummy, nagimas.
Nagina.
Afternoon sa. Yum. And the weather, it's so perfect. Kasi tinatry niya ilagay yung coffee niya dito sa my pocket niya. That's for beer. Yeah. We are here in Nusa, people. Lamig, 16 degrees. No way na mag-swimming tayo, no? Daddy Marky said, let's go swimming. In your dreams. Aya. Parang di ko ata kakayanin maglakad. Ang lamig, girl. Ang hangin pa. Yan, oh, ang hangin. Oh, girls, ang hangin. Ganda ng weather, though. Ganda ng araw. Baby, take this one. That one. Yeah. Ay, ay, ay. Someone's chasing me, people. Ay, sarap tumakbo. Ang lamig. Ang lamig-lamig na, but look at them. Ganda ng karagatan. Daming naghihintay ng whales. Nandito tayo sa may Dolphin Point. Pero last time dun namin sa kabila nakita ang mga dolphins. Malap! Hello? Are you waiting for food? Sorry, mate. No food. No food. Oh my gosh. Look at you. Cutie. Baby.
I want to pet you. Would you like a massage? Would you like a massage?
No food. Go away.
We got so excited. Do a jump.
Is that dolphin? Oh, there they are. There they are. Is that whales or dolphins?
Sorts of wire. Dolphins.
I think it's a group Oh, there they are. Can you see? Going this way. Oh. Dolphins. Yeah.
Big one out there.
Big.
Yes. I saw it. Okay, come on up, come on, come on. There,
Oh.
there, see it?
That's a dolphin.
No, that's a whale.
Oh, wow! Where is it now?
There. See it?
Yeah. So Nusa National Park is one of our favorite coastal walk. Ganda dito. Sa mga gustong mamasyal ng Sunny Coast, may pogi dun oh. Oh yeah. What's that? Yeah. Is that Mulula ba? Yeah, that's the tower. It's the point. Arkwright. Huh? Arkwright? Cartwright. Hello there. Okay. Bless you. Ang cute ng magpay na to. It's doing sightseeing as well.
Ladies and gentlemen, here we are at Nusa National Park, featuring Queen Emily.
Let's take a photo, both of us. Come on, because no one's here. Walang tao dito, guys. Walang tao. Ganda dito sa taas. First time namin pumunta dito sa pababa sa mga beach side. Yung nakikita mo sa taas. Yan, sun. Brothers, nandito na tayo. Wowzers. Wowzers, mahal. First time namin pumunta dito na side. I know, love. It's so beautiful. Mahal ka. Ganda dito. Napaka-relaxing.
Oh.
Breathe in, breathe out. It's the same color of the wood, so. What you doing there?
Yeah,
What you doing there? You. Tingnan pa yung we are in the car, people. Love it. What's the time, love? 12:46. What time did we start walking? I'm gutom. I'm so hungry. Daddy Marky ordered chips with our guacamole. What's the other sauce, mahal?
It's
Pineapple.
pineapple.
This one.
Yeah.
Tomato.
Salsa.
We are eating bandita. What's this? Corn.
Corn.
Just corn. What's my drink, baby? Pineapple. And Daddy Marky got his.
A touche. Pineapple, ginger, and
What's
spice.
your drinks?
Espresso martini.
Last one that we ordered, fish tacos. So after namin kumain, pumunta kami dito sa marina. What you call this? Like dito na kami pupunta ni Daddy Marky dati. Tapos nakita ko to. Sabi niya kasi tumingin ka ng mga dress mo dyan. Tapos nakita ko yung board husband seat. Tapos pumunta talaga siya. We're going to Nusa Botanic Gardens, people. So it's not the Botanic Garden, but it's the Lake McDonald, is it?
This is the Botanic
Ah, okay. Ayya. Can you fish in the Lake McDonald?
You can.
So, tinanong ko si Daddy Marky ano yung mga fruits na yun. Kasing daming nahuhulog sa ground. And then that's it. That's the name. Quirky plants from around the world. Elephant apple. Native to Southeast Asia. Wow. Different variety ng poinsettia. Oh, poinsettia, winter rose. Wow. Love it. Wow, this is... May nakita ako dito na plant. Ang ganda niya, love! Ooh, Amanda will like the color. Nice! What's this plant? Ganda niya, oh.
Should have known.
I know. Mahal! Ang ganda dito. Lahat naman ng place na mapuntahan natin, maganda laki. Look at this tree. Ang laki niya. Oh, naitanim pa siya since 1935. Yan, nakalagay dyan. Wow! First time lang namin makapunta dito ni Daddy Marky. Oh, this is, you know naman na, I love plants. Pine. So, you can see it here, baby.
Wow.
I know. 1935. So how old is that now?
90 years old.
Wow. Look at that. Shadows, malilito na kayo dyan ang light.
The car's there.
Maybe we need to do that. Ang laki. Look at that. The whole thing.
Wow.
Nusa Botanic Gardens. Wow, wow, wow. Ang luwang nga. Hindi mo ito maikot ng isang araw lang, love. Balik kami next time. Super luwang. What's that?
You're going to become a friend.
Ang
Become
pipino.
perform here.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, la la. And that's the lake. Ganda naman dito, love. Roses. Roses. Upo daw tayo dito. And that's Daddy Marky. What?
You got to pay for the show.
Ay,
Ladies and gentlemen, presenting the one and only me.
Ay, ay, ay. Ganda shadows, oh.
That's so cool.
I know. Malalaking mga cactus, oh. And then aloe vera family, isn't it? Succulent. Oh, lalaki. Massive. Aloe vera. Oh, yeah.